Have you noticed Black Friday's turned into its own season out there? So how do you know the best time and the best place to shop? Well, tonight our smart shopper's taking action. Daphne Monroe is showing you exactly how to score the best deals.
A 32-inch LED HD TV for just $98. A 50-inch HD TV for $229? Sounds like Black Friday doorbuster deals. But wait.
The stores have really morphed this into a two-day event.
Edgar Dorsky, consumer expert and the owner of ConsumerWorld.org, is right. We may as well call it Black Thursday. Last year, it was just a few stores offering doorbuster deals on Thanksgiving. But word got out that those retailers made some extra cash, so several others are joining in. Walmart, Best Buy, Toys R Us, Old Navy, Target, and the list goes on of retailers skipping Thanksgiving, trying to get your money.
Sears is offering a front-load washer and dryer. They normally sell for $8.99 each. Both pieces for $7.99.
Target has one of the best doorbuster deals on TVs. On Black Friday, they will have a 50-inch Elements TV for just $229. Awesome buys. So, should you skip your Thanksgiving plans and head out to the stores?
Are you going to find the lowest price in every single item? Probably not.
For example, I found this RCA 32-inch LED HD TV with a DVD player in it for just $199 at Sears Online last week. One of Target's doorbuster deals is a Samsung 32-inch LED HD TV for $227. Sure, I think Samsung is a better brand, but the RCA TV costs less and comes with a DVD player. So it's a good sign that if you miss out on some doorbuster deals, I think you'll see similar deals pop up on Cyber Monday and even into December. Plus, a lot of these stores are offering the exact same doorbuster deals online too. If you are planning on heading out to the stores on Thursday, there are some things you can do now to help you score a few of these great deals.
Do your homework. So that means right now you can go online to bfads.net or blackfriday.gotadeal.com. You can see almost all the circulars that'll be in Thursday's newspapers right now.
Plus, Amazon just released their Black Friday plans, and they start today with new deals popping up on their site every 10 minutes.
This whole thing, we're going to celebrate Black Friday in August before you know it.
Make sure to tune in on Thursday, Thanksgiving Day, because we will be covering all of Black Fridays and staying on top of all the different trends and deals. And you can also check out my Facebook page at Smart Shopper 15. I'm Daphne Monroe, your Smart Shopper.